Hey guys, this is Zoe from CJdropshipping. Welcome to our channel. Copy and inspire on other people's winning products and the common tricks we do. AliExpress rank is one of the lists we often refer to. But are these products on the rank really worth selling? Do they really problem solving and easy to use? So I purchased some winning products ranked in AliExpress and we will find out these questions together. If you happen to test out these products, watch out time, this video at least can save you the test order cost. If there is no products you want to test out in the video, just a comment below and I will select for the next episode of winning products unboxing. What's more, once the video has reached 150 likes, I will give away $10 CJ Dropshipping coupons for 3 audience from the top 3 most liked comments. For every 20 more likes over 150, I will select one more lucky audience. The more like this video got, the more coupons we will give away. So before we jump into the content, make sure you have hit the like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Can't wait to show you guys the first product. Gun style bubble maker. The first product I want to share with you guys is a gun style bubble maker. Like bubble maker is really trendy recently. I saw many sourcing requests about bubble maker on CJ and ad push for bubble makers from several apps. So when I saw these products on the AliExpress rank, I couldn't wait to share with everyone. Before checking out the actual products, we will check the products on AliExpress first. This product has black, gold, pink, and blue 4 colors and it can order with bubble water. In the last 30 days, it has 4,566 orders and the daily orders have up and downs. And if we look more in detail, we find this product starts selling from 14th April, which means this is a newly listed product on AliExpress. All this information didn't really amaze me until I saw these shocking videos. Only 8 seconds long video shows the super bubble making power, just like the Gatling gun shape of the product itself. Can't wait to try it out. That's what I got. All Chinese carton package. Has no extra protection on the product. Plum size, much smaller than I thought, a little bit disappointed. While it's a children's toy, the size is fine for a child. I ordered the color black since it's made with plastic, so the product's quality look really cheap. Plus, there is no extra protection inside the carton, it will easily damage of the product's parts. As the instruction showed, after insulating the batteries, dip the gun point with the bubble water, and then press a button to blow. Wow, really blows my mind. It looks exactly the same as the video. Let's try it again. It doesn't work this time. Nothing comes out, only some bubble water are dripping. Like I don't hear the sound of the motor running. A brand new product can easily break like this. I doubt there is a big problem with either the motor or maybe the poor connection of the batteries. Wow effect, but huge chance of high dispute rate. Like don't recommend it and a big no for this product. Luminescent sticky throwing ball. The next product is an anti-stress toy Luminescent sticky throwing ball. Check out this video for how it works. After the ball is thrown upwards, it can easily stick to the wall. Once it falls, you can catch it or throw it again. The product got 4.8 out of 5 reviews on AliExpress and has 12,615 orders in total of this shop. In the last 30 days, it sold out 6,699 orders. When they check the competitors' prices, it varies from $1.13 to $4.53. If we check the one has most sales order amount, one single ball will cost $3.99, much higher than the original rank store does. When we look at the product, it comes with all plastic packaging, and each ball has its own plastic packaging to ensure the thickness of the ball. Like I would suggest to change the outer packaging to the custom packaging like a white box or zipper bags and attach with a thank you card to increase the dropshipping value and identify your brand. a squishy texture and hard to break. When I throw it, the stickiness to the wall as described in the videos. There is a sticky coating on the outside of the ball and it can attach to the wall. And be careful, don't drop on the floor. You don't want to get messy and non-sticky quickly. It doesn't really sticky on the sling or wood, but for a $1 product, I believe it is enough. Oh, we haven't tried out the luminescent effect. Let's try it out in the dark. There is no effect for the orange ball, but green, blue, and white all have a wow effect. Overall, recommended. Hair curling ribbon. The following product is going viral on TikTok. This is a new product only uploaded from 9th April and it makes 6,482 orders on AliExpress. At first, the TikToker bought the rope belt viral because of the magic effect of curling hair without the heat. And this product is an upgrade version of the rope belt, which is more convenient to use, easy to apply, and won't move around. Many videos on TikTok and YouTube that introduce how it works. Look at these videos, really viral. So I won't go into detail to review the actual effect. I believe these TikTokers and YouTubers haven't given out their true opinions. So I will focus more on the product's packaging and the product's quality. The product just comes with a clear plastic bag, and it will be nice if we change to clothing bags. Here are the example I got from the YouTuber videos. The product comes with two scrunchies and the one clip. I ordered the pink color and there is no color difference with the pictures. However, they still need to improve on some details like closing on the end of ropes and extra thread on the scrunchies. The product inside is more light of a cylinder shape and it has a little bit of a plushy. If we search the curling ribbon, the product selling price is around $40. CJ also had this product for only $6 with 12 to 18 days delivery to the US. With that amount of profit, I believe this is really great product to dropship. Heart shape effect glasses. The following product really surprised me on the both order volume and product effect. When we check the products on AliExpress page, we'll find it has 28,040 orders in total and reached 4,104 orders in the last 30 days. With vast order amount, this product still got 5,912 reviews and scored 4.7 out of 5. As the product described, after wearing the glasses, light sources were turned into the heart, really cool effect as the video showed. When I got the glasses, they have really cool packaging. Just go get a glasses case or offer your options with a glasses case or not. Love style frames can catch people's attention at first sight, really cool for styling. Let's see the heart-shaped effect. Since the shooting studio don't have a lot of light sources, so I tried it out outside on the street as in the video. Wow, that's really amazing. I saw every light source as hearts, hearts, and more hearts. Definitely a thumbs up for it. Low price, cool effect, and mind-blowing video. No wonder why this is killing. Multiple colors and the frame shape of glasses on CJ available. If you are interested in more styles, feel free to check out the product link down in the description. By the way, I just want to remind you guys once again, once this video reaches 150 likes, I will pick the top 3 most liked comments and give away them a $10 CJ dropshipping coupon. For every more 20 likes over 150, we will select one more lucky audience. Stainless steel oil spray. The next product ranked really high in the kitchen products on AliExpress with really great feedbacks. 4.7 out of 5 from 3,655 reviews. The kitchen niche is an evergreen niche, and the product is a recent beginner from the kitchen niche. It got 3,452 orders in the last 30 days, and the dropshipping price is $9.60 with 1 month of AliExpress standard shipping. Like for a kitchen oil spray, the dropshipping budget is slightly high. Let's check out, is it really worth the price? The products come with all English packaging, and the spray is well protected with a bubble wrap. Like ensure the products won't be damaged en route and lower the future dispute rate. A big bonus for it? A glass-sized bottle, like feeling more texture. Although the product's name is Kitchen Stainless Steel Olive Oil Spray, it has nothing to do with a stainless steel. The spray head is all made with plastic. I like the wave design on the pressing button, and even you have a messy oily hand while cooking, I can still press it firmly without getting slippery. Really soft mist and uncovering widespread. Just 2 to 3 pressing can coat the pan evenly. But there is one thing I'm concerned about. Since the spray head is hidden inside, for some marks and stain will be left on the mouth of the spray after several uses, right there. Even though I'm using water to test out its function, we can still see the water stain. As a kitchen product, it's a useful problem solver and has a broad market. However, for this dropshipping price, I will look for products with higher quality beyond it. That's all the AliExpress winning products unboxing and reviewing. Like some products are way out of my expectation, some products are unworthy, and I can totally imagine horrible complaints. It is important to find the potential winning products, but don't forget to test out the product's quality and shipping time before scaling up. Comment below to let us know which winning product unboxing you want to see. Hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel, join the coupon giveaway. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest to help out the video to get out for more viewers. Thank you for your support and see ya next time. Bye!